Hey, I can wire that panel for 50 bucks and a slice of pizza.
Good afternoon. Let's take a look at your panel, review the code requirements, and I'll provide a licensed quote with a warranty.
What kind of wire are you going to use?
Whatever I've got left in the truck, speaker wire, Christmas lights, it's all copper-ish.
We only use copper wiring, sized and rated per neck Article 310, proper ampacity, proper protection.
There, it works, as long as you don't touch it when it rains.
Installed per neck 210.8. All outdoor receptacles GFCI protected, and we tested line versus load. Safe and clean.
GFCI dangles loose from the box, wires jammed in.
Tester plugged in, proper mounting labeled.
Inspector? What inspector? I'm the inspector.
We pull permits, meet local AHJ requirements, and pass inspections. Every time.
So you're $200 more, but everything is up to code, labeled, and guaranteed?
Exactly.
Yeah, I'll go with Positive Electricians.
Positive Electricians. Don't risk it. Go with the pros. Visit us at positiveelectricians.com. Email us at info@positiveelectricians.com or call 844-411-0240. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.